speaking with birds. It's angels through them, meeting birds. Yeah. Angels speaking with us through the birds. Yeah. Wild birds. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, they say, just don't do this. Just don't do this. It's easy. Yeah, you can. Just don't do this. Oh, have a rest. Yeah. Yeah, have a rest. It won't cause any harm. Yeah, it will be safe. Just have a rest. A little more tomorrow, but maybe really more. Not little more, but more. Sleep more tomorrow. Yeah, that's an angel's advice. Yeah. And they say something special to you. Listen. Special to you. Yeah. Just to us. Yeah. To us. Yeah. You already know. Oh, of course. Now it's a picture in your head. What do you see? Now it's a picture coming through sunlight to your head. Yeah. Yeah, as I say, just don't do this. It's really easy. And you will have profit from this. Because you won't have any harm. Why? Just don't do this. And they say, you watch this video and everything will be really cool.